fast driving test through Kona. Put the consumption in to 0, and here you can see the output, mostly here. Everything else is off except for the lights. I want some lights, and let's go. Fast turned off. This turned off. Okay, and put in sport. Okay. Oh, it's 50 here. Drive a bit with this car. It's -1, winter tires on, so keep that in mind with consumption and acceleration and everything. I mean, look at the average right now. It's gonna be high. But I will go there and back, and then we'll see. It's a lot of hills, a lot of downhill. Okay. There's a person walking, so I'm not gonna kill that one. I'm nice. And then let's go. Oh god, it's power. Oh god, it's so much fun. Woohoo! Yeah, braking, the battery fully charged. Yeah. It's not true. Already used something. It's wrong. Oh, drive bit. Oh. Yes, I have braking. What are you talking about? I have great braking. I don't care. It likes to beep. Oh, yes. I have to use the real brakes. What the hell? I shouldn't be full. Ooh, cornering. Yes. Oh, God. Oh, yeah. I'm scared that there's ice. It's -1 and it's a tiny bit raining before. It was raining. Ooh. Yeah. Complain. I have to use power so the battery is not full. Dealership charged it full. Should have told them not to, but it's okay. Oh yeah, oh yes. Yeah, shut up. Okay. Ooh-hoo. Oh god, it's a tiny bit snowing. Ooh. But I feel safe. I think so. Tell my wife I love her. God, it's so much fun. Yeah, it does regen. I can see stuff. I don't know what it's talking about. Oh yeah, that's fun. Oh, cornering feels nice. Feels really nice. It's just something different. It's just annoying that I have to use the real brakes because regen is not full. Nothing happening. Stuff is moving around in here. But even though I'm driving like a maniac, it's so amazingly quiet. Oh, it's so much fun. I love driving like a maniac in electric cars. Woohoo! I'm still gonna pass you. I hope so. Yeah, fall around. Woohoo! Oh, I can't pass him. Damn it. Come on! I can't look at the power output, but it looks good. See, I have regen -50. 50 kilowatt of regen. Why is the consumption so low? Something's wrong. It's maybe because it's a bit downhill. Ooh, it could be icy here. Little river. Driving without light. That's the stuff. Great. Oh, it happens so many times here. The people, when it's foggy or a bit snowing, they don't have their lights on. What the hell? You crazy? It's so much fun. I want to pass him. I doubt that I can. Yes, I can. Woohoo! Really driving like a maniac. Woohoo! Oh, it's cornering. Yes. Oh, yes. Oh, that almost not. Ooh. God damn it, I have to use the real brakes. I hate that. Oh god. I'm not a race car driver. Don't laugh. Everybody's laughing at me. God, it's fun. Oh, it goes. It goes like a sports car, and this is half SUV. This is, by the way, my first drive with this car. I got it half an hour ago and was just positioning everything and do all the settings, my camera setup. Oh, yes, and it's snowing and 0 degrees. Oh, and now again, like it last time, look at the amazing turning circle, not cycle, as I called it. Oh, it's just so amazing. Look at that. There we go. Woo-hoo-hoo. Tire speed at 70 kilometers per hour. Yeah, I wouldn't say it's wet, but it's a bit damp. The road. Oh god. Now my consumption looks okay. 32. We're driving really crazy here. Oh god. Oh. Oh. Winter tires on, but the heat is off. That's important. So no climate. I have around 300 watts using for the lights and all the system. This display here, everything is off. I don't want to turn off the lights. It's just a safe thing. Oh yes. Oh yes. I think regen is now on. Yes, regen is now full. That's good. Go. Woohoo! 145 kilowatt for the win! Oh, sorry, copying Björn Nyland here. Oh god. Ooh. It's good that you don't see me. I'm freaked out, scared, and happy at the same time. Ooh, let's go over thing here and bump. Woohoo! Bump. Really okay. So comfortable. Even when driving like a crazy person here. Oh, I repeat myself. I know. But hello. Ooh, and again. Let's go. Ooh, God, I'm scared. Oh, can't see. Yes. Full power. Oh, yes. Rear brakes. Nobody would drive with this car like that in a normal way, but it has to be done at some point. Oh yes! Oh, that was way too much. Everything's moving in here. Ooh. It's good that I had a bit of traction, otherwise I would have been gone. Well, I had a good life. Oh yes. Corner again. Oh, there's a car coming. Damn it. I can't drive like I want to. Just cut this corner. Ooh, uphill. Oh, yes. Oh, my. Oh, yes. Almost at the start. Feel it losing traction a tiny bit. Ooh, when I go too fast in the corners. Oh yes. Oh, that accelerator pedal is very sensitive in sport mode. A tiny bit of movement and you feel the acceleration right away. Why the cost driving? Why am I not alone here? It's weird. Oh yes, almost there. Full. Driving way too fast. Oh, but regen is there. Oh, that's nasty. Why is it 50? Come on. It's never 50. Oh, that was fun. Yeah, 32.6. That makes sense. Okay. That was fun. Oh, yes. Oh, Let's drive slow again. And 50. Yeah, but the average goes down instantly when you drive a bit slower. Look at that. Oh my god, it's jumping down. But it was over 30. That's okay. Okay, thank you very much for watching. Stay tuned for the next video. Lots to come. Bye.